Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix apps crashing or not opening. Okay, for this simply go to settings and tap on the option apps. So here you can see all the applications from your device, and first of all you need to open that application is facing crashing or not opening. So simply here I am going to open the application YouTube. Okay, after open the YouTube, tap on the option storage. So here you can see two options, clear data and clear cache. So tap on the option clear cache, and after this one simply update or you need to reinstall the applications. Actually, app crashes can happen due to bugs or outdated version. So simply in this way we can fix the app crashing or not opening on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.